Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. See you again. This video, I just want to make a review for you to see how to set up, how to make, what the material, how about the how to use the material to set up this project. This we call free energy water pump. Okay, right now I set up already with this project, and I use with some material that don't spend a lot of money, just spend a little money to buy some material and set up, can use forever instead of the electric machine, because we need the gasoline fee or electric fee. Okay, right now I use this valve check to turn on and turn off. If you need water, turn on like this, right? This. If you don't need, you can close like this. Instead of the switch on and switch off of electricity. And you can see the output pipe here. I choose with the 60mm size, big one. But the end of the output pipe, I use a small one with the 34mm. It's the same size to the output pipe or input pipe. Okay, same size to the input pipe. Okay, after I will go to show you how does it how did I set up it. Okay, right now I start to open it like this. It's a good project that you can set up, especially in the place without electricity, right? You can follow my project to set up in your community, in your village without electricity, because we just use the pressure, no use the electricity. Okay, like this. But the first time it's strong. If you leave it 20 or 30 minutes later, it will be better. But it's not non-stop. If you don't need, you can close like this, right? But it's not non-stop, 24 hours per day. If we don't need, we close. If we need, we can open like this. Okay, right now, close and open. Go to see with me. Okay, and right now we get the van drum here. You can see the drum. Oh, I hear the dropping sound in this main drum. This we call the main drum. It make a pressure to suck the water from this right, from this deep well here, because it's difficult for the people that, when they take the water from this well, right? It's difficult. We can use the strong or much energy to take the water from this well. So I have a new idea, set up this project that we call free energy water pump, just use main drum, right? So you can see here with the output pipe, with the 60mm, here we call the air pressure, and it can start or stop the air when it come back from the end of the eye. Make sure it cannot go to this main drum. If any air go to this main drum, our project cannot success, we be fail, right? So we use this air pressure to stop it and then pull it back. Okay, right? And then you can see here, it called valve check. To fill the water into this main drum, before we proceed our project, we have to fill the water to this main drum around 90% or 100 until it's full. Because when we open the end of the pipe, the water is flow out from this main drum, and then this main drum will make a pressure to suck the water from this deep well here, right? But don't forget, when you connecting between pipe to pipe, you have to use the glue. Right, glue. Make sure no linking. Mean water, air, waterproof. Right. Another one. When you set up this project, follow my project, you have to use the same drum like this with the metal drum. Don't use the plastic drum, because it's easy to break out, easy to deform with the plastic drum. But this kind of metal drum, it's solid, right? It's very solid, so it's not easy to deform. It can make a strong pressure to suck the water from this well here. Okay, right? I hope you understand. And if you have something to ask me, you can ask me by below by commendation below this video. And if you want to share, please share your friend or family or other people that you want to see. Thank you so much. See you next video.